Can we regulate the police? Can we regulate the army? Yes. Can we regulate them? Yes, we can. We can regulate the army, regulate the police, regulate the Nigerian security and civil defense, regulate the customs, regulate the immigrations, regulate the man of war, regulate the vigilante group of Nigeria, regulate all the armed forces in Nigeria. We can. How can we do that? We need to scrutinize them. Many bad eggs have infiltrated into these systems I'm talking about. These systems have acquired many unscrupulous elements in them. We need to scrutinize them, remove the chaff from the grain, and you will see a better Nigeria. Without good armed forces in Nigeria, Nigeria is zero, on a zero ground. Look, Nigeria is losing its integrity. Nigeria is losing its integrity. Many countries, as a giant of Africa, Nigeria is supposed to have visa-free to almost all the countries in the world, because what we have, others don't have it. I am very happy that I came from Nigeria, the place called Nigeria, but sometimes I fear to tell anybody around me that I'm a Nigerian. That is why I have learned some languages that is not a Nigerian language. Yes. But we can set Nigeria back again. And it will not take us a decade. It will take us just a few times. Scrutinizing the system. What do I mean? We must start from police. 1, pay Nigerian police well. Check the salary of the United States. Check the salary of Dubai. Nigeria is bigger than Dubai. Even Lagos is bigger than Dubai in number. Check the salary of Dubai police. Apply that salary on Nigerian police. Check the salary of the Dubai army, the United States Army, the UK. Nigeria is richer than that. Apply that salary on them. Then when you apply this salary in NSCDC, that is Nigerian Security and Civil Defense, Nigerian Customs, then you set people that will monitor them, not people with corrupt tendencies. When I was working as a uniform officer, I stay in the traffic. Many of you know me. Before I left Nigeria, I stay in the traffic. I make sure that the traffic is free. I don't stop any motor and ask him for money. I don't stop any motor for violation you violated and ask him for money. Rather, I will call the appropriate authority to arrest him if he insists. I have never done that. But let me tell you, that place I am working, I will see people, black people, Igbo people, they will just come and give me envelope. When I look at some of the envelope, I see 10,000. I see white people that always pass through that place the way I walk. When they come out, they give me money. One of them gave me that time, he gave me $20 because I was doing a good job. I don't do the job on the basis of collecting money from people. I do it with all my heart. Anyone that knows me will always attest to what I am saying. I have done it in Owerri, in Amakohia. I have done it in what is it called? Ekonwa. I have done it in several places in Owerri. Scrutinize the Nigerian force. When I talk about Nigerian force, all the officers that belong to Nigeria, scrutinize all of them. Don't carry illiterates and jam-pack the system. All the touts should be removed from these forces. All the touts. all the criminals that has gone to prison before should be removed from this list. If they go and scrutinize them from the beginning, even if they have stayed 10 years, scrutinize them, check them very well. If you see their history, watch them closely at the moment. If they still have those tendencies, chase them away from the uniform office, so that this country will become a good country that everyone will be happy to come in. We are no longer coming in. Scrutinize the police. Every official police should wear uniform and has his name tag and his number. It is done everywhere in the world, but Nigerian own is just like a rocket science. When they want to do illegalities, they remove the name or they wear jacket, cover it. Do it in Nigerian forces, both the army. I saw army on the road the other time. I saw him, he's wearing his name tag. The first time of seeing an army man wearing his name tag on a checkpoint. And the way these people addressed us, I was very happy. Very, very happy to see that such army exists in Nigeria again. Let them wear their name tag. If they commit any crime, we will post them on the Facebook. The car I am using have a spy camera all over. Everybody is putting spy cameras that can record you and record your voice. The motorcycle I drive has spy cameras. I hide up to 3 to 5 spy cameras. All my papers are complete. There is nothing you would. I will take my paper and go to the paper. Is these papers, are they complete? They say yes. If there is anyone that is not complete, tell me. They will tell me it is complete. I will go and make inquiry. I do everything according to the law. If you stop me on the road, know it that the cloud is carrying you. You will scatter everywhere. That is what everybody is doing now. Spy camera that record for 24 hours. Every day you are going out, you on it. It will record you for 24 hours. So you don't mess with people. If you like what I am doing, make sure you subscribe. But if you don't like it, don't subscribe. I don't need you. My name is Ambassador Single Edwin. The man that refuses to stop crying until things are done right. And we must have a new Nigeria. As a matter of fact, a new Nigeria is possible. I am your prophet in disguise. God bless you till some other time.